Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your account for TV2Play. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Every time you create a new account for TV2Play and register with an email address, or every time you change your email address in the profile, you'll need to verify your email. Simply go ahead and get started by clicking open a web browser and type in play.tv2.no and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the main homepage for TV2Play. Also make sure that you are logged into your account like you normally do. After signing into your TV2Play account, go to the top right hand corner and click on your name. In the expanded menu, click on My Account. If you've not verified your email address yet, you will need to click on this verify email at the top of the screen. Now you'll receive an email from TV2Play account. Simply go ahead and log into your email inbox. After you receive the email, click it open and click on this link that you see on the page. And there you have successfully verified your email. So that is how you should be able to verify your account for TV2Play. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.